Hey, how you doing today, guys? I'm back with another video. Today we working on a 2016 Chevy Malibu Limited with a 2.5 EcoTec. I already started actually taking it apart, and I said, why not record? It might help somebody. So anyway, I already started taking this off. It's just a cover. I just basically took the cover off. It's 3 of these torque bolts. I'll show a camera so you guys know, and I'm gonna actually tell you the measurement too. That way, you know what you need. Put that thing on down, So it's a hex. I'm gonna tell you the size here in 2 seconds. I think you can use a triangle too, matter of fact. It is a T30. Yeah, it's a T30 torque bit that I use. Fits perfectly in there. The reason why I'm putting this back, because that's the screws that I always lose screws, so I put them back. Disclaimer. I am not recommending you guys do this. I'm just showing you what I went through when I work on my car to potentially save you time, money, and or experience. Not a professional mechanic or anything. So, reason why we're here today is we have a, you probably already seen it, I'm not sure. We got a PCV tube that's cracked, old. Basically, when I was checking, changing my oil and doing my things, I grabbed it on accident. And as I grabbed it, I heard it break, and then I did that without taking this filter off. I mean, this cover off. So I grabbed back here, broke it, and then I noticed while I was back there, my hand came back. It was dirty, like oil, like seepage, or just like old, you know, dried up oil or whatever. And turned out I took the cover off, and I got to looking. It was already wet anyway. Basically, it's the PCV from the back of the motor that goes into the intake. I'll show you here. Your part number is here. 12627132. And like I said, it's called the PCV tube. OEM. The reason why I buy OEM, and I'll have the Amazon link in the description, is because it's becoming a lot easier to get OEM parts at affordable prices. So before I get into working on it, I want to show you what the new one is, or what we actually doing. So here it is, guys. This is the new one, and it'll make a lot more sense why it looks weird like that once I show you the old one and where it's broken and cracked at. So let's get started. So to take this off, or to move this out the way to get it loose, there's a 10 for this clamp right here. Get that going. Millimeter, 1/4" drive on my set. I'm afraid you know how we do, and it's not a 10. Lied. I thought it was a 10. Let's try 8. Gotta be real slow because I like to drop loose. We're gonna try the 8 instead. 8. All the real mechanics, like, he's a rookie. They would have known it was an 8 already. I just thought it was an 8, man. Give me a break. It's loose. On my extension. So I'm gonna take this off. I think y'all can see, yeah, y'all can see perfectly fine. Right, to get that off. We got that out the way. I'm just gonna put it here at the bottom. Back here, let me show y'all real quick. Back here, this right here, I think that's a 10. We'll see. But hopefully it is. That's what I'm about to take off now. Put y'all back in position. There we go. Let's see this time. Okay, I got y'all still on the view too. Oh, actually I don't. There we go. All right. Yay, it's a 10. That screw I just showed y'all, took that out. So that should, yeah, that should got, it's got this pretty loose now. All right, so just be careful with this because it's still connected over there. But now I'm gonna show y'all what our problem is. If you can see right there, she's not connected, and this is stiff, and it was, you see the little oil drip. So what made me take the cover off when I was just doing my look over, what I was doing was, sit y'all down for a second. What I was doing when I was doing my oil change, get y'all in nice in position. I was doing my oil change and I was just, you know, touching, you know, making sure. As soon as I touched it like this, I'm like, damn. And like I said, the cover was still on. So I was like, damn, let me take the cover off. And when I took the cover off, I noticed all this. Now, mind you, everybody like, damn, bro, you gonna clean your motor? I do 10,000 miles a month. So this was in between oil changes. So I just did an oil change. So anyway, I was looking back there. And I was like, yeah, that's a lot of buildup. And like I said, I noticed, I looked on the neck of this PCV thing, it was wet. See there? And that's, I'm hoping, right? That's where the seepage was coming from. And I was losing a little oil. I don't have a leak yet, so I'm hoping that was just a little piece of oil that I was losing. I don't know. In 10,000 miles, I probably lost a quart maybe. So get y'all set down and get to work on this thing. Good. All right. So on one end, it's a quick connect, easy. Let me show you. I can show you on the new one. So basically, the clamp setup is the new experienced mechanics. Disregard this. This is for the DIY guys like me. All you're gonna do is slide this, and it's gonna open it up and get it off that connection. And it's the same thing for this one. So, yep. And then the same thing for this one. And like I said, see, this got a lot of play. This is flexible. It's not tight or anything. This one is not moving. There's no flexing. It's stiff. So I'll slide this one so make sure y'all can see. Push it to the side. I'll get some luck here. Yeah, there we go. And I think what the oil was seeping out of here. I hope so. Somebody's gonna comment and tell me why the proper term. But yeah, she's broken. So that's one half of it. There's another piece that's on the bottom of the intake right here. Same concept on the side. You push it and pull at the same time. If I can find the little needle. Uh-oh, what about y'all? Lost y'all for a second. I'm going from the other side. Yeah, it's a little notch right here. At least I think so. Let's see something. All right, there we go. Just getting this one on. I think what I'm running into is I gotta push this back, like while I'm pushing that, and I need to get this one off first, the one that's on the back of this, which is this piece on the new one. I'm having trouble pushing this, and I just think it's just something with it. I'm having the trouble sliding this on the old one out. Thinking about just breaking it, honestly. I don't need it. I'm gonna put me a glove on. The motor still kind of toasty.